I'm gonna be testing here the precision landing with the Mavic 2 Pro trick. Because I don't have the landing pad, I use this section of the concrete where I have two lines, so the aircraft can take that as a reference. Actually, it's raining, but I'm gonna do it quickly. I have enough satellites, and I'm gonna take off automatically. Let's see if I can do it with one finger here. I'm gonna do it quickly because it's raining. Then I go and raise the aircraft in about 11 feet high, 14 in this case. It's raining, and I give a chance for 10 seconds the aircraft to take the picture for the precision landing. So it's taking that as a reference. And now let's go forward. Let's see. I'm recording and flying at the same time. That's good enough for me. And now I'm gonna tell the aircraft return to home.
Go home.
I wish I have the raining suit for this aircraft. It's raining. I probably am gonna talk to Phantom Rain for this one. I have one coming, I guess, for the Air 2. There is. I use the light to make it easier for villas. Let's see. Rain is not helping, but the smart controller is good with the rain, so it's coming. Now we're hoping that it's gonna land right there with the reference. I don't know if the rain is gonna affect. It's raining pretty bad, as you see. Aircraft is coming, it's making correction, and it should say precision landing sometime. Wow, it's pretty bad. I will see. And that was a perfect landing.